Gemini natives born on this day are seriously concerned with making a success of their lives and career. Although you have a vision of what you want, you are not always sure how to achieve it. Fueled by ambition, you are so intent on reaching your goals that you may not be aware of the spirits of rebellion lurking beneath your seemingly conservative facade. Although you give the impression of having it all figured out, the carefree twins' love of excitement and change can exert itself at any time, prompting you to try to kick over the traces and break away. Your sociability and warm, outgoing manner make you well liked and popular with just about everyone. Although you enjoy a scintillating conversation as much as any of your Gemini Sun counterparts, you are less inclined to pass along rumors, gossip, or other information obtained from questionable sources. You are imaginative and artistic, and your innate common sense gives you the ability to turn your creative ideas into solid realities. You could be successful in various fields of endeavor, including those related to art, music, the media, architecture, publishing, and athletics. In love and romance, you are ardent, affectionate, trustworthy, and dependable. Gemini's roving eye is greatly mitigated by the number 17's desire for companionship and for the lasting reward of a serious long-term commitment.